I'm going to share with you some amazing tips on how to learn English from home. If you're ready to take your English skills to the next level without ever leaving your house, then this video is for you. And stick around because I have some secrets that will make learning English not just easy, but fun too. Now, I know some people think that learning English from home isn't possible. They believe you need to travel or live in an English-speaking country. But guess what? You can absolutely learn English from home. And I'm going to show you how. I will show you how to surround yourself with English every day, even if you don't live in an English-speaking country. Imagine improving your English while doing your daily routine. Sounds cool, right? Whether you want to get a promotion, travel, or study abroad, having clear goals will keep you motivated. If you want to learn English from home, you just have to follow these 5 simple and easy but powerful steps that will make you learn English from home. Number 1. Surround yourself with English learning. English can be fun and easy if you surround yourself with the language every day. You do not need to live in an English-speaking country to do this. When you need to buy things from the store, write your shopping list in English. This will help you learn the names of different items in English. For example, you can write milk, onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots. Find an English newspaper or an online news website. Try to read a few articles every day. Even if you do not understand everything, you will learn new words and get used to how sentences are written. Tune into an English radio station or find an English podcast. Listen to it while you are doing other things, like cooking or exercising. This will help you get used to the sound of English and improve your listening skills. Keep a diary and write a few sentences in English every day. Write about what you did, how you feel, or what you are planning to do. This will help you practice writing and expressing your thoughts in English. Number 2. Set yourself realistic goals. Imagine this. You're embarking on a journey to learn English. It's exciting, but it can also be a bit overwhelming. To stay motivated and on track, it's crucial to set realistic goals. First, ask yourself, why do you want to learn English? Having a clear reason will give you a sense of purpose. Maybe you want to get a promotion at work. Being able to speak English could open new career opportunities for you. Or perhaps you want to communicate better with your foreign colleagues. This can make your work environment more pleasant and collaborative. You might dream of studying abroad. Imagine attending a university in an English-speaking country, experiencing a new culture, and making friends from around the world. Or maybe you simply want to spend your next holiday in an English-speaking country. Short-term goals should be specific and achievable. Instead of saying, I want to improve my English, say, I want to learn 10 new English words every day. This gives you a clear target to aim for and makes it easier to measure your progress. Number 3. Listen to real English. Listening to real English is one of the best ways to improve your language skills. It might seem difficult at first, but with practice, you will get better and understand more. When you listen to English spoken at normal speed, it can be challenging. You might not understand everything at first, and that's okay. The important thing is to keep listening. Over time, your ear will get used to the speed and rhythm of the language. Try to listen to different types of English. You can listen to conversations, news reports, podcasts, or even movies. This will help you hear different accents and styles of speaking. Don't worry if you miss some words or phrases. Just focus on the overall meaning. Sometimes, it's helpful to read along while you listen, but it's also important to practice listening without seeing the text. This way, you rely only on your ears. It's a good way to improve your listening skills. You can start by listening to something simple, like a short podcast or a news clip. Try to understand as much as you can. Then, listen to it again. Each time you listen, you might catch something new. If you find it very hard, try to listen to the same clip several times. Repetition helps. Listening to something more than once is a great way to learn. Each time you listen, you can focus on different things. The first time, you might just try to get the general idea. The second time, you might focus on specific words or phrases. By the third time, you might start to notice interesting or unusual vocabulary. Number 4. Find fun ways to learn new words. Learning new words in English can be exciting and enjoyable if you find fun methods that work for you. Do you like singing? If yes, then this is a great way to learn new words. Look up the lyrics of your favorite English songs and sing along. Music makes it easier to remember words and phrases. Plus, you will learn how words sound in different contexts. For example, if you love a particular song, find the lyrics online and read them while listening to the song. Try to understand the meaning of the lyrics and pay attention to new words. Sing along as you listen. This will help you remember the words and improve your pronunciation. If you remember things better when you see them, use post-it notes. Write new words on these small sticky notes and place them around your house. Stick them on the fridge, the mirror, your computer, or any place you look at often. Seeing the words regularly will help you remember them. For example, if you are learning the word refrigerator, write it on a post-it note and stick it on your fridge. Each time you open the fridge, you will see the word and it will stick in your memory. Making funny or silly sentences with new words can help you remember them better. Humor makes learning more enjoyable and memorable. When you create a sentence that makes you laugh, it's easier to recall the word later. For example, if you are learning the word giraffe, you might write a sentence like, "The silly image of a giraffe dancing in a hat will make the word stick in your mind." If you like drawing, use this talent to help you learn new words. Draw small pictures next to the words to represent their meaning. Visual images can make words more memorable, especially if you are a visual learner. For example, if you are learning the word apple, draw a small picture of an apple next to the word. Every time you see the drawing, it will remind you of the word and its meaning. Playing games is another fun way to learn new words. There are many word games you can play alone or with friends. Games like Scrabble, word search puzzles, or even mobile apps designed for vocabulary building can make learning new words enjoyable. Set a goal to learn a certain number of new words each week through games. Challenge yourself and track your progress. This way, learning feels like play, and you will stay motivated. Learning English is not just about understanding grammar and vocabulary. It's also about getting to know the people and the culture of English-speaking countries. This makes learning the language more interesting and meaningful. Every language reflects the way its speakers think and see the world. By learning about the culture, you will understand why people say things in a certain way and how they express their thoughts and feelings. This will help you communicate more effectively and naturally. For example, in English-speaking countries, people often value politeness and indirect communication. You might notice that people use phrases like, Could you please? Or would you mind? Instead of giving direct commands. Understanding these cultural nuances will help you use the language more appropriately. Each English-speaking country has its own unique traditions and holidays. Learning about these can be fun and educational. You can watch videos, read articles, or join online forums to learn about how people celebrate holidays like Christmas, Thanksgiving, or Halloween. For example, in the United States, Thanksgiving is a major holiday where people gather with family and friends to share a meal and give thanks. Learning about this tradition can give you insight into American values and customs. You might even try cooking a traditional Thanksgiving dish to experience the culture firsthand. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great content. Share this video with a friend who is also learning English. It might just be what they need to improve their skills. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Let me know what you think about these ways to learn English from home and share your own tips and experiences. Thanks again for watching and see you in the next video. Happy learning!